Hello everybody, I'm MTechM and this is a review of the Argos Value Range VC-303 Bagless Cylinder Vacuum Cleaner. The 303 is a good basic vacuum cleaner. Of course that's what Argos want you to believe. But honestly, I would agree with that. Now with the 303, you get a 1400 watt motor, 1.5 meters of hose, variable power, a dust capacity of 2 liters, foot operated on-off control, an adjustable floor head, plastic telescopic extension tubes, a vacuum cleaner suitable for all floor types, a 5 meter power cord, and a light product at only 4 kilograms. Before I went for the 303, I actually went for Asda's own. I picked up the Smart Price UD18003 1200 watt, and it blew up. It literally sounded like it was going to take off. Asda's cost £19.96. Argos's cost £16.99. And for my money, a better product. Thanks very much for watching. I've been MTechM.